Alright, now let's talk about SEO for products. This is of course only important if you have an e-commerce website, but if you do, then you need to optimize each product for search. So in the Wix dashboard here, you can navigate over here in Catalog to your store products and then Products. I'm assuming you've already set up some of your products. Now I have this basic product setup that will optimize for SEO. So if we click on our product, it takes us to this screen where we can add all kinds of information, details, set the price, set the SKU, all that kind of thing for our products. Now there's a few things we want to optimize here. First off, we need a SEO optimized title. We're going to write a description. We're going to write the alt text for this image, and we're going to do some of the more advanced SEO settings using Wix's SEO assistant. So we want a name that's more descriptive. So I would say something like coral pink high performance leggings for women. This is going to depend on your product and the keyword research that hopefully you've already done, but you want to be descriptive. And of course also you want to target some of the keywords that people are searching for when they're looking for your products. So now we have a bit of a more descriptive name. Now this is a relatively new feature in Wix that will probably save you a lot of time. You can generate AI text for your descriptions. So if you click this, it's going to take you to this little AI text creator, and we'll say this is a women's leggings and athletic, say athleisure store. What would we like the customers to know about this product? I would say that it's coral pink, that it's made for women by women, long lasting, high performance. You get the idea. You can kind of bullet point out the highlights of your product. And then down here we've got this nice gradient button. So it says create text, and we click that, and it's going to generate some product descriptions for us. And let's see what this one says. Introducing our coral pink high performance leggings for women, ultimate combination of style and functionality. The leggings are designed specifically for women by women with a flattering fit and comfortable stretch, etc., etc. So that's a great description. We could read through these three and pick one, whichever one's our favorite, and then just copy and paste that in. Now we have a nice description that's got some of our keywords in it. So high performance leggings, coral pink, high performance fabric, leggings here again. So that's great. Now we have a keyword optimized name and description. Now we can write the alt text for this image. So under here, images and videos, there's these three dots. Click those, and you can click edit alt text for images. And then again, we want to be descriptive with our alt text. So we can say something like coral woman wearing coral pink high performance leggings and striking a pose with hand on hip. Something like that. Done. And then under marketing and SEO, we have this edit SEO settings. And we'll need to save real quick. And then there we go. Now, we'll do this in a later step, but eventually we'll allow Google to crawl our site or to index our site so that it can list us. Right now, because our site hasn't been launched yet, it's set to no index. So we'll worry about that later. Otherwise, everything here has been done. Now that we've walked through those few things that we just went over, this is a great way to make sure you're hitting all the highlights. The meta description here is going to be pulled from the description, but you can customize this too. The meta description, again, is what shows up on Google. So when somebody searches coral pink high performance leggings and you see that Google listing, then you'll have the meta description right there. And you can see a preview of what that'll look like on Google here. Alright? So like a lot of the SEO work we've done so far, it's really pretty straightforward. I think you'll have no problem taking care of your product SEO.